everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about dollars and cents notation. It can be found on page 142 to 143 of your Jump Math book. So if you'd like to open up your book to those pages now, you can work along with me. Okay, everybody, let's get started. All right, so as we've been learning about money, we've been taking it step by step, and we learned how to identify the different coins as a start. So we know that this is the $2 coin, this is the $1 coin, this is a 25-cent coin, and this is a 10-cent coin. So our first job was to identify the values of the coins, of the toonie, the loonie, the quarter, and the dime. The next thing that we did was we learned how to name it. So this is $3, 2 plus 1 is 3, $3 and 35 cents. So here you notice we're just using the words dollars and we're using the word cents. Then we learned how to use some symbols. So this was the dollar symbol, or is the dollar symbol. So now instead of writing the word dollars, we can use this symbol instead. This means $3. And we learned that this symbol means cents. So now instead of writing the word, we could write the symbol, 35 cents. Today I'm going to show you a new way to show how much money you have. And now we can use the dollars and cents notation. So it's a little bit different than what you've been learning so far. Let's take a look at how it's different. Here's an example of a total of money that uses dollars and cents notation. There are a few differences between this and what we used previously. Let's talk about the differences and the similarities. You'll notice that the dollar symbol is still there. But what do you notice here? There is no cent symbol. The cent symbol is not present in the dollars and cents notation, and I'll tell you why. Instead of using a cent symbol, they use a dot, or what some of you might know as a decimal point. So use a dot or a decimal point, and it looks like that, okay? Whenever you see a decimal point used within, like showing a total of money, the decimal point divides the dollars from the cents. So on the left side of the decimal point is where you'll find the total number of dollars. On the right side of the decimal point is where you will find the cents. That decimal point tells us which is which. So we don't actually have to use the cent symbol anymore. All right? So all you have to use is the dollar symbol, but no cent symbol. Okay? So let's take a look at what that looks like when we have, say, $6.55. This is the new way of writing it. We used only the dollar symbol, there's no cent symbol, and there is a dot or decimal point dividing the dollars from the cents. So taking a look at this then, how many dollars do I have in this amount? If you said 6, you were correct. How many cents do I have in this amount? If you said 55, you were also correct. I would say this amount by saying $6.55. $6.55, because this is equal to this, and we say it the same way. Let's take a look at this one. This one says $4.75. How would I write it using the new dollars and cents notation? You'll see that I already put the dollar symbol there. That's the symbol I need to use in dollars and cents notation. What am I going to write next, my dollars or my cents? Did you say dollars? Because you're right. Now, what's that special symbol I'm going to use here on the line? Did you say the dot or the decimal? Because you're right. Now, what goes on the right side of the decimal point? If you said cents, you're correct. So I'm going to write 75 cents. So now $4.75 can be written like this, $4.75. Do you see how that works? No cent symbol, and the decimal divides the dollars from the cents. Okay, great. Let's keep going. So what if I have $8.09? How would I show that using our old way? Let's do some conversions back and forth. So in the past, $8, and this is going to be for question number 1 in your book. So $8.09, for example, would have been written like this. There's my $8, and I say and between my dollars and my cents. And then I would write 9 cents. So that's how we previously would have done it. What about this one? $5.60. I would have written $5.60. Okay? So that's how I would have done it in the past. The dollars separated from the cents. $2.80. What would I write here? 2 or 80? If you said 2, you're correct. And how many cents? 80 is right. Okay? So this is the old way that we did it when we were identifying how many dollars and how many cents. You'll remember this one. This is what it looks like with new dollars and cents notation. So let's do that then. $6.50. How would I write that with new dollars and cents notation? Well, I would simply write this. Okay? $6, there's my decimal point. Now I can write my cents. 50 cents. Okay, $6.50. What about $8.30? What symbol do I have to write first? Did you say a dollar sign? Because you are correct. What's the first number that I write? I always start with my dollars. I had 8. $8. And how many cents do I have? 30 cents. That decimal point takes the place of my cent symbol. I don't need my cent symbol anymore. $3.40. How would I write that in dollars and cents notation? $3.40. All right, so that brings us to, this was number 2. That brings us to number 3. You're going to be given some pictures of some collections of coins and bills, and you have to use the old way and the new way. So how would I represent this in the old way? Well, I had to write how many dollars first. How many dollars do I have? Well, I only have one. $1, and how many cents do I have? You're correct, 25 cents. All right, how would I write that with the new dollars and cents notation? What symbol do I put first? You're right, I put the dollar symbol first with my dollars. My decimal point separates my dollars from my cents, and then I write my cents amount. All right, no cent symbol at the end. That's important, okay? Now, when we get over to question number 4, you're going to be given a total in dollars and cent notation, and you have to draw the exact numbers of coins or bills needed, the least number of coins to make that total. Now, I always start with the biggest that I can use. Well, can I use a $5 bill for this? Nope, that's too high. I'm going to go down to a $2 coin. I can definitely use a $2 coin here, but so far I'm only at $2. What else do I need? Can I use another $2 coin? Sure I can. Now I'm at $4 and that part is done. Now I have to make my 80 cents. Can I use a loonie? Nope, that's too high. I have to go down to my next biggest coin, which is a quarter. So I'm going to write 25 cents. Can I use another quarter? Sure I can. How about another quarter? You bet. 25, 50, 75. I'm almost there. Can I use a dime? Nope, that's too high. But how about a nickel? $4 and 25, 30, 25, 50, 75, 80. $4.80. But now you'll notice sometimes there's a rectangle. This means that we can use a bill. $6.35. What bill can I use to make $6.35? Did you say $5? You're correct. Now what else do I need? Can I use a toonie? Nope, that's too high. How about a loonie? That is okay. So now I'm at $6. I want to make 35 cents. How can I make that using the least number of coins? Well, I can use a quarter. Can I use another quarter? Nope, it's got to be a dime. $6 and 25, 35 cents. Okay? Now, when you get to question number 5, it's going to ask you to think about how the cents is written. Is $6.06 the same as $6.60? No, it is not. 06 means simply 6 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. 60 means 60 cents. That's much more. So the placement of the 0 is very important. If it's 0 and then a number, that means it's less than 10. If it's a number and then a 0, that means it's a multiple of 10. What about $5.20? Is that the same as $5.02? Nope. The placement of the 0 is very important when you're writing the dollars and cents notation. Anything with a 0 in front of the number is less than 10. Anything with a 0 at the end is a multiple of 10. Okay? Now for your last question, you have to show $4.75 two more ways. And you did this in one of the Seesaw activities. You don't have to use all the dotted circles that are shown on the page. See, there's multiple dotted circles. You can use them all if you want, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You're just going to show 475 in multiple ways. Okay, everybody, that's your job for today. Do pages 142 and 143 and post it to Seesaw. Have a great day.